So of course, look at this. You fix one problem, and then there's always another fucking problem. This thing just snapped off. Give me a fucking break.
Firmly grasp it.
All right. So there's a screw right there. The window's in the way. So for reference, I need to get to that screw right there. I don't even know if this is able to get in there. Oh. Why would they do this? Why would they make it so difficult? So we got this small one. Let's see. So we have 11 millimeters. No, this is 11 millimeters. Oh, it fits. We try it. Think it's enough room? It's a little bit too big. Aha! 13 by 32. Haha. Yeah. It broke off. Holy shit. Okay, good. Got it off. Thank goodness. I thought this was an easy, like, slide out. The other one was. What do you have to press? Oh, I gotta lift that up, probably. Well, I was hoping this would just come undone. There we go. There we go. Got it. Woo! What is attached? That's attached. What is that? So that attaches to that. What is this attached to? So yeah, just gonna take this off. Let's make it happen. We gotta get this installed. If it rains, we're kind of screwed. I have to cover it up with tape. I gotta figure that out. Yeehaw. So this part broke off. Right there. That was that screw. Actually, where is that screw? The screw's still in there. Did I bend it? Or is that how it is? I don't think I bent it, did I? I think that's how it is. Maybe I did bend it though. I think I did move it. Well, hopefully it's not a big deal. I think I do have to remove it because that's that whole piece right there. I think I gotta remove that. Yeah, I think I bent it when I turned it and it just rusted off and broke away. Can I even like unscrew this? Yeah, see, I bent it. Shit, I did bend it. Oh man, it's like screwed in there. It's rusted in there. Oh, okay, whatever. finally got this on. Good Lord. There it is. Alright, I need to attach that little thing to this green thing. And I need to attach that big thing to this thing. Okay, wait, I got it. Rotate. There you go. See, I am the greatest. Fuck yeah. Alright. Terrible design. Terrible. You know what? Remove this. I need to get it under first. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Maybe I do have to take this off. Okay, let's try taking the small guy off first. Okay, small guy's off. Try to attach that when I put it inside. Seriously, what the hell's this? Oh my god, do I have to do everything from the inside? That's bullshit. Do I really have to do this? Like, I can't even get this inside. Okay, it's in. Who gives a fuck? Good Lord. No, this is not how you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to be able to do it on the outside. If I take this, now can I do this? Can I just stick this up in there, please? What is the problem? Come on, what is this? What is this bullshit? What happened here? Did I break something? Really? Oh my god. Why is it such a pain, man? Why doesn't it just fit? Like, why does it have to be so ridiculous? Oh my god. Angle you up? Nope, can't go that way. For some reason, it just will not go with this on. So fine, screw you. Disconnect. It barely fits like that. That's the only way I can get it in. Come on, you. How did I even get this out? How did they even install this in the first place? Screw these people. Whoever made this is retarded. This is dumb. It's not like it's a puzzle you have to figure out. No, it's just not designed well. Fucking put it together better. Whatever. That's it for now. All the stuff and you still don't finish. And you're left over with extra bolts. You gotta put that back on. This goes with this. Put that right there. I gotta put that back on. I gotta put this whole thing back on. Alright. Here we are the next morning. Damn Stars of David screws. Man, I hate how it's all different. I don't have this tool, I don't think. This whole assembly has to like drop down so I can fit the latch or whatever, the rod, the lever. Did you know you could use an Allen wrench because it is a hexagon? There it goes. This one might not go though, it seems like it's more stripped. But I have confidence, yes! Haha. Let's get this one. I gotta make sure all of them can at least move. Ooh! That didn't sound good, but I think we're back in business. Alright, so you take all three of these off and then you drop this down. Reach on in. Wiggle and jiggle. There we go. Cool. So it moves. And then I just have to, I don't want it to like possibly get stuck somewhere though. Okay, just as long as it moves down enough so I can get this damn rod. It's too hard to film. Yeah, there's that rod right there. Actually, this is easier for me to see inside what's going on. Yeah, that one right there. It's the whole thing I need to get in there so I can actually use the handle. Because right now it doesn't do anything. Put these in a safe spot with all the other screws. I never use that for cups. I've never used that for a cup. I use it for everything else but cups. It's a damn quarter holder and a screw holder. I have to take this off again or loosen it to make it easier. I might just do that just to make it easier. Hey, buddy.
Stop it.
I don't have any food for you.
I know, he's a brat.
Oh my god, it was such a pain just getting this in here. I didn't even do it completely. Now it's gonna suck. Let's get this out of the way more. Yeah, there we go. Come on. Ah. See? Little Japanese people. Ooh, the thing in the big American hands. Can I? I'm skinny too. One time I helped my friend with his Boxster engine because I had to go on the side and unscrew something, and his hands were too fat, but mine were skinny. Okay, there it is, got it. Okay. Am I in? Oh my god, I'm in. Oh my god, I'm in. There, I can see like this. Is that a hole even? Yeah, it is. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Here we go. It's got to wiggle and jiggle until you make it. There's just gotta be a better way. I think I gotta take this out again. Yep. So this is a nice view. I should really show you this. In fact, I'm gonna show you this because it's such a nice view of what's going on. Wow. I gotta get that rod in that hole and clamped in. And the thing is, I already got the keyhole. In, and I got one of the latches, one of the bars. What do you call them? Rods. Put you right here. Damn, like if this just wasn't here, like get rid of this. There's no need for this. I'm gonna do a modification where we get rid of this. There's no need for it. It's ridiculous. There's like nothing here. Just cut around this. Like you can cut this out so much. I'm gonna do that for weight reduction. Oh, come on now. Okay, close, but still no cigar. Come on. There was a technique to getting this. Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm so close. At least I got a hand of it now. I got my fingers on it. Okay, just need to. Ow. Damn, man. What a pain. Oh my god. Come on, you sick bastard. Get in there. I need to rotate this a little bit. Looks good to me. Nope, not yet. Come on. Get in the hole. No! I let go for 1 second. Is it like under pressure? There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Come on. Oh. That's the sound of success right there. I think I got it. Let's see. It works. Woo! It works. Tighten these up, tighten this. I'm gonna finish tightening it. But now, if you look inside, hopefully you can see it. Oh yeah, I can actually feel it engaging. Alright, job well done. I'm gonna now put the finishing touches. So the thing I used was a 5/32. Hiya! Not bad. First thing in the morning. Completing a job like this. Make me feel good for the rest of the day. That's in. And how about you? Are you in? I hope so. I'm not looking back. We're just going for it. Hey, it's working. I'm gonna make an invention. It's gonna be a glove or something you put on your thumb, and you can screw in screws with it. It fits into screws, and you just use your thumb. You heard it here first. Are these even the right screws? Ow! Punching myself in the face. Oh yeah, that's to that. That goes to that part. Oh no! These are different. What? Oh wait, okay, wait. That goes to there. This one doesn't go here. This one goes here. Hey, there you go. You found your spot. You settled in. Dude, this is professionally done. This is professional. Well, we should test it first. See if it works. Actually, I'm gonna leave you in here. Oh, it doesn't work because it's locked. Let's try that. That works. How does it not work? I should have tested it before I closed it. I really thought that that was going to be it though. What? So I had to like plug the battery back in so I could get window power. And now I'm trying to get that window, but the thing's not plugged in, so you can't do it. So let's go see if we have window power. But first, I still can't open the door from over there. I can only open it from inside still. So like, I'll show you these mechanisms real quick. You got, so locked, it doesn't work. It's pulling on the thing. Unlock. Oh, the door's already open. Interesting. So if I, okay, door's closed, locked, and then pull, oh, it doesn't work. It should work though, it should unlock it. But it still works like that. So I need to figure out what that's about. I've got to plug this back in so I can use the window. I don't know why it's not working. I thought it would be connected on a different thing. I guess it relays through this. For some reason, using this lock and unlock didn't work. So I don't know what was going on there. It only sent the signal like once or twice. Oh yeah, turn this off. But now it sucks is with the window down, you can't get to what you need to get to. Why does that work and that work? Am I missing a link? Is there something that's supposed to connect with this? Yeah, like this is supposed to get lifted somehow. I'm missing something. There's some other piece. There's a piece that broke or fell off or something. There's a latch right here. Yeah, let's close this. See if I reach in and pull this latch up. That's it. I'm missing something. That was it. There it is. See the hole? Something's supposed to be in that hole and connect to this thing up here that I see moving. But what happened? Did it fall? Is it in here? Is it in my door? What could that be? A string? Do I need to put a piece of zip tie or something? How could I get that to work? So I took the driver's side apart to get a comparison. So when you lock, you can pull the thing and it pulls both. So both rods. Working. Locked. Unlocked. Handle pull. So if you see inside, it's not what I thought. It lifts that. That's what I need. Yeah, the spring's going and that's going. I can feel the tension. Why isn't it doing that on that side? Let's find out. Doesn't work. Oh, and now this doesn't work. What? Oh, because it's locked. So these aren't connected? How come that doesn't release that? What is going on? Like, seriously, man. It's a little different, but it follows the same premise. Okay, I can see the spring in this one. I'm not even going to try to show you. I'm just going to speak. I see it. I see it working. What? It's working. That's the lever. That's the one that pulls it. What? So then how come this doesn't... How come this doesn't release that? It should, right? Or is the passenger side different? I wonder what the mechanism is that allows it to happen. How come it doesn't work on this one? See that? That's how much play I have before it even tries to engage. So it needs to have that from the beginning, and then I can extend it even more and hit that thing on the right. Oh, is it down here? Yeah, that thing. The latch. See? Because look how high it's going. That's me pulling all the way. It's going right there. Here's me pulling inside. That's all the way up. So that rod needs to come down or be shorter. I mean, it worked before. It's that play right there, but why is it like that? And how do you tighten that? How do I make it so that it's at a regular position? Did I install did I put it upside down? And it's further away? And I'm supposed to install it differently, or is it just a bad handle? I'm gonna stick this in there and make it so that it has less play. So let's get to it. Okay, I made this. So it's like a little spring, but it's sturdy as fuck. I'm gonna stick it in there. Look at that. It's fucking crazy, man. Alright, so now I just have to like turn it and then like spin it around a couple times. I think that's how it'll work. I don't know. It's way too difficult. My hands are too big and I have thin dexterity, whatever, thin appendages, phalanges. Yo, check that out. Okay, so now, yeehaw. I'm gonna do it off camera, but I'm gonna engage the lock and then I'm going to, yep, that works. I'm just gonna tighten that up somehow, maybe squeeze it with some pliers if I can get it in there. I think I can, but then even to be able to make a fist is freaking impossible in this tight space, but we'll see. Okay, actually I just kind of continued to spin it a little more and it's like locked in place. It's not going anywhere. Look at that. That's freaking beautiful. I did it. I love it. I freaking love it. Done. Let's test it out. Y'all ready? Let me seal this back up with all the goop-de-dee-goop. The black goo. What is this black goo? All right, here we go. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Look at that, man. It just works. Let's see. I guess that's it. I guess we're gonna put stuff back together and then see. Okay, got this one back on. You know, got a little washer in there to hold this thing up. It works. But if I lock it, ooh, it feels nice and secure too. So opening this doesn't do it. I guess that's like a safety feature, so the passenger can't just say, I'm out of here, and open the door. They gotta do that first, and then they can do it. But that feels nice. Nice and solid. Oh my God. Hopefully that stands up to the vibrations. I think it will, because that was in there. That was a good little hack. Check this out. Woo! All right, now I can finally clean out my glove box a little bit. See, I got all these bolts. Well, I probably could have used some of these for something. What is that, the broken turbo manifold bolt? No, that's a good one. Oh, it's stripped as fuck. That's the broken one right there. Cool, so a bunch of bolts in there. I have no idea where they're really going to. Fuel pump. Doodad. Doesn't matter because we're going to change it. But this is so cool. Like, this is like a genuine Mitsubishi part. So cool. Good to know. I think this is bad. Pretty sure that's bad. Doesn't matter, I replaced it. Tools. Hey, look, it's the damn door handle that broke. Gotta have your napkins. Everyone's got napkins. I got these. Why did I get these? Wait, I already have. What? What is this for? What the fuck is this for? I have no idea. Wow, look at all these. The fuck are these for? Like bumpers and shit? Yes, what was it? This is for the trunk. Oh, these are for the trunk. Ah, these are for the trunk. Where's that thing? Oh, it's over there. Okay, why are there two different kind of screws for that, though? There's one for that thing, but not for that. Doesn't matter. We're gonna take these out too. Who the hell knows what they belong to now? Take this out too. Done with that. I still need to install this for the upper control arm. And this big ass washer. I think this was originally on the car. So I'm gonna put that back on. Little lights for like the radio and stuff. These are like broken though. I should just take these out. Let's clean this puppy out. Do I need them? Did I just take them out because I was like I didn't like them? It's always things like, oh, I should keep them, I shouldn't keep them, I don't know. We'll just put you in here. This is for like emergencies. And if I need something bigger than that, then it's a bigger emergency. I'm not gonna be able to fix it with a screwdriver anyway. What's in here? Oh. All right. In the meantime, these stay in here. Napkins. You gotta have your napkins, just in case. I usually keep quarters in here just in case I need to pay for parking somehow, but everything's freaking automated and digital nowadays. I can take this in. I'll keep that there. Yes, I can finally get rid of this. Cool. Project done, pretty much. Yeah.